Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1 and respected listener, a very good evening and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1, I will teach you about the title I have mentioned on the blackboard, the basic fundamental concept and general introduction and methods of determining of rate law or rate equation. The given title topic I have selected from MSc Chemistry semester 1 from that is of paper 3 physical chemistry, chosen from that is of unit 3rd titled as that is of chemical dynamics. Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1, the given topic is basically divided into its that is of sub-kinds. First one that is of the basic general introduction, basic concept of chemical dynamics CD, and that is of methods of determining of rate law. So first of all, I will deliver here in the classroom about the general awareness, basic concept of that is of chemical dynamics, in which first of all, now may I have your attention please about our previous lecture in which we were defining about the basic concept, basic fundamental of chemical dynamics, in which we have already defined about the velocity of the reaction in chemically reaction undergoing to define the variation or changing of concentration either of the reactant with respect to timing is known as that is the velocity of the reaction, and its dimension one can express in terms of dimension concentration when is divided by that is of timing to give the value of dimension here. When we substitute the value of unit of concentration in terms of mole per liter and time is expressed in terms of second, minute, hour, year, week, month. In such a position, suppose we select the time is expressed in terms of that is of second. In such a position, in such a condition, the unit of velocity of the reaction is expressed in terms of mole per liter per second. Now it becomes essential the next awareness, the basic fundamental of what are the methods, formula and expression to write about the velocity of the reaction with respect to reactant and that is of with respect to that is of product here. So it can be explained very easily under that is of 4 cases. Case 1, which is mainly concerned about 1:1. Any chemically reactions undergoing, suppose in reaction reactant and product are present in 1:1. As such, I have mentioned in the blackboard in our previous video, based on that is a chemical dynamics, in which 1 mole of A reacts 1 mole of B to produce that is a 1 mole of C and that is a 1 mole of D. So basically, when the questions are set, asked to the students calculate the value of velocity of the reaction in terms of reactant and product, very simple answer. Suppose we choose that CA, CB, CC and CD denote the concentration of reactant A and B and product C and D. So obviously, when reaction move in forward direction in such a position, the concentration of the reactant decrease here. So obviously, negative sign while expressing the velocity of the reaction with respect to reactant will be mentioned in terms of negative sign, and during the progress of the reaction moving in forward direction to increase the concentration of the product, so obviously positive sign will be used here and rest the concept of mathematical operation d by dt will be used for every with respect to that is of reactant, that is of product, and finally result comes out to express the velocity of the reaction with respect to that is of reactant minus dc upon dt minus dcb upon dt and plus dcc upon dt plus dcd upon dt. These were the overall the important fundamental equation by means of velocity of the reaction with respect to the reactant, that is of product here. Second one case we were defining about n is to m, when we will derive the rate law, rate determining method by means of collision theory and transition state theory or activated complex theory to determine the steric factor A. So in that case, when we will use directly n is to m the velocity of the reaction, in such a condition student get confused where this quantity comes out. So it becomes essential to know to put down completely about the basic fundamental, general introduction reaction by means of that is the velocity of the reaction. So there are so many reactions are known in the environmental chemistry or physical chemistry undergoing by means of that is of NH2M. Suppose the formation of Haber process, that is of ammonia, nitric oxide, Igneous, that is of Berglund-Eyde process. There are very so many on the behalf of the scientists associated with the name of scientists are known, in which you know the NH2M number of moles present, that is of preparation of sulfur trioxide, etc., etc., etc. So in such a position, when students ask or say to calculate the value of what is the value of velocity of the reaction with respect to the reactant and product, when in such a position when reactant and product are present in NH2M, the very simple theory for the calculation of velocity of the reaction for NH2M, that directly the number of moles when is multiplied while the calculation, while expressing, while the derivation of such a reaction for NH2M, directly that is of divide in terms of fraction, the total number of moles are that is multiplied here. Suppose 1 mole of N2 react thrice mole of AS2 to produce twice mole of NH3, so there directly the number of moles multiplied when you are going to calculate the value of velocity of the reaction in terms of that is of NH2M. In such a position, directly the number of moles will be mentioned, will be totally multiplied in terms of mole, in terms of fraction here, or rest theory negative for reactant and positive sign for that is of product, that will be the in such a conditions here. So these were the finally the calculation formula to calculate the value of velocity of the reaction in terms of NH2M here. Third one, how will you calculate the value of degree of dissociation? The students MSc chemistry from semester 1 here, it becomes essential. How will you calculate when questions, suppose I asked you the questions of MSc chemistry, what is the basically the formula of velocity of the reaction with respect to that is of a product here, so they don't know exact answer about what is the value of degree of dissociation with respect to that is a product here. So obviously very simple answer. In our previous video we have derived, we have calculated the value of velocity of the reaction with respect to that is of reactant product to give the amazing result, that is of dx by dt. I means no negative sign, no positive sign will be used here. Finally the value of velocity of the reaction when is calculated in terms of degree of dissociation to give the amazing result, that is of degree dx by dt. I mean to say in terms of degree of dissociation dx by dt to give the value of velocity of the reaction with respect to that is of reactant, that is a product. I mean to say that is of the same here. Now next one, fourth one cases, that is how will you calculate the value of velocity of the reaction in terms of gases here. So once important theory I state here, in any chemical reaction undergoing, suppose reactant and product are present by means of that is of liquid and solid state, in such a position students have to use the concentration in terms of that is of active mass, which is symbolized by that is of a large bracket here, while in the case of and their concentration will be expressed in terms of mole per liter here, while in the case of that is of such reactions in which all the reactant product are present in gaseous state, then it becomes essential to know the exact velocity of the reaction for such reactions in which all the reactant product are present in that is of gaseous state. So it is very simple to define, students MSc chemistry, according to the kinetic theory of the gases, when the concentration of all the gases one can express is now expressed in terms of that is of partial pressure here, because when the mixture of the gases are filled into a vessel here, in a system here, then the pressure or the phenomena which is dropped by the collision internally, that is a unit part to act, that is a force is known as that is of a partial pressure here. Then very simple in compact form I would like to define here all the gases, their concentration now measured in terms of that is of partial pressure here. So students have to write down why the calculation of velocity of the reaction in terms of that is of partial pressure in terms of reactant and partial pressure in terms of with respect to that is of the product here, or else negative for that is of reactant and positive sign for that is of positive product. These are the basic fundamental, and the rest postulate will be remains as such here. Now next one, today's I will deliver to you about the next that is of general introduction, basic concept of that is of chemical dynamics. Next that is the fundamental factors affecting that is of rate of the reactions here. When students the questions now for all the students MSc chemistry, how will you influence the velocity of the reaction by temperature? So simply they answer on increasing the temperature, the velocity of the reaction increase. But what are the essential phases, postulate, steps in which the increasing of velocity of the reaction by means of temperature depending age, sport, that is of forward direction. So students of MSc chemistry, first of all, on the behalf of various phases, various postulate I have mentioned on the blackboard here. First one, which the factor that is of kinetic energy, which is responsible to increase the velocity of the reaction on increasing the value of temperature. It can be explained on the behalf of blackboard. Detailed theory I mentioned on the blackboard here. On increasing of the temperature, the number of, suppose we take the concentration of a certain reactant in any chemical vessel. So obviously when the reaction vessel is heated, we provide the temperature. Obviously the various chemical phenomenon, various chemical activities observed inside of the chemical vessel here, inside of the chemical system here. When various chemicals phenomena observed, the number of collisions enhance, and to increase the existence of degree of freedoms such as translation of the molecules, rotational of the molecules, and vibrational of the molecules. These various 3 degree of freedoms existing, translational, rotational, and vibration, to enhance the value of kinetic energy. When kinetic energy is increased half mv square depending upon the velocity of the molecules, so obviously that is the velocity of the reaction, rate of the reaction increase. First phase is now responsible, in which we explain the on increasing the temperature, velocity of the reaction increase here. Secondly, on the behalf of temperature coefficient, it has also been explained that it has been observed by increasing the temperature of 10 degrees Celsius of any chemical vessel's heat. So in such a position, the velocity of the reaction is observed as just double, twice to that is of 3 degrees Celsius. In such a position here, suppose T degrees Celsius, the velocity constant is symbolized by that is of Kt as that constant, and T plus 10 degrees Celsius, that constant is similar by that is of Kt plus 10. When Kt plus 10, that constant at T plus 10 degrees Celsius, when is divided by the rate constant, which is symbolized, selected as that is of T degrees Celsius temperature. Amazing result of the chemical vessels actually have been performed, reported here. The velocity of the reaction just double between the ranging of 2 to its that is of 3, that is of value. The ratio of Kt plus 10 divisible by that is of Kt is known as that is of temperature coefficient here. So first of all factor which is responsible on the behalf of kinetic energy, second factor that is on the behalf of temperature coefficient, third one factor which is responsible to enhance the velocity of the reaction on increasing the value of temperature, that is the famous scientist equation, RNS equation, is mainly gives us the necessarily fundamental information, various information, excess information, in which on the behalf of temperature the quantitative relationship is established, that is of that constant K. The fundamental RNS equation which is mainly concerned the dependency of the temperature with respect to that is the velocity constant, K is equals to 8 e to the power minus E upon R up T. Say equation number 2. In equation number 2, E denote that is the energy of activation here, K denote here that is of velocity constant here, T denote here that is of temperature, and R denote here that is of gas constant here. Now we take the log in that is of E base. We have on solution, on solving ln K is equals to ln A minus E upon RT. Say equation number 3 here. Now when equation number 3 is now solved on the behalf of that is of log 10 base, the equation log K is equals to minus E upon 2.303, 1 upon that is of R, 1 upon T plus that is of log T. It is evident from equation number 4, negative sign here. So it is evident on increasing the temperature, the velocity of the reaction in terms of log E, that is of increases here. So it is concluded the result from equation number 4. So third phase, third postulate, which prove us the validity of on increasing the temperature, the velocity of the reaction now increase here. Now from equation number 4 is now converted into at two different temperature, that is of at two different temperature T1 and T2. Suppose we assume the rate constant K1 and K2, then with respect to that is of K1 and that is of T1. At T1 temperature, suppose we assume the velocity constant, that is of K1, and T2 degrees Celsius, so temperature we assume that velocity constant that is of K2 here. Now convert fundamental equation number 4 into its two, that is of various temperature T1 and T2. We have the value of equation number 5, log K1 is equal to minus E upon 2.303 1 upon R 1 upon T1 plus log A, and 4, that is the next one temperature T2, log K2 is equal to minus EA 2.303 log K2 is equal to minus E upon 2.303 1 upon R 1 upon T2 plus that is of log K. So these were the two fundamental equations which is mainly concern the influence of velocity with that is of temperature. We have derived in the form of equation number 4 is now divided into that is equation number 5 and equation number 6, and we have calculated here at two different temperature K1 and K2 by means of the K1 and K2 various rate constant with respect to T1 and T2 temperature here. Now equation number 6, I may subtract equation number 6 from equation number 5 here. Now when we subtract 6 from 5, log K1 upon K2 is equal to E upon 2.303 1 upon R 1 upon that is of T2 minus 1 upon T1 at two different degrees Celsius of temperature at two different temperature T1 and T2. Equation number 7, that is the final equation here, which give us the necessarily fundamental and excess information with the influence of temperature with that is of influence on temperature with that is of velocity of the reaction, rate of the reactions here. Equation number 7 here. Now students of MSc chemistry, now on the behalf of graphical representation it becomes essential how does equation number 4 or RNS equation is beneficial to give the dependency of velocity of the reaction with respect to the temperature here. So let us pick from that is of equation number 4 here. When equation number 4, the fundamental equation of RNS equation, where is now compared the straight line equation of y is equal to that is of mx plus c, y is equal to the value of log k, m is equal to slope that is of minus e upon 2.303 upon r, x is equal to 1 upon t, and intercept c is now considered as that is of log a here. Now a dynamic curve, dynamic profile is now plotted on the graph, in which y is equal to log k is chosen as an ordinate, and that is of x is equal to 1 upon t as that is of abscissa. In such a position, that is of a tangent which is plotted from that is of upward direction to the downward direction by assuming it that is of negative slope here. So it has also been proved that on increasing the temperature, the velocity of the reaction, graphically we have proved it, or rest information about that is of this one factor affecting rate of reactions with temperature we will that is of deliver in that is of coming lectures. Now let me allow to me to join tomorrow. Now you take care till then. Thank you very much.